Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video, well, let's take a look at Tesla stock and its earnings today. What are we going to do now with Tesla? Is it a buy the way the price has closed? Well, it's not closed yet. There's still movement happening in the post market, but the reaction is in our hands. And I was wondering if I should wait a little bit longer for post market to go closer to its end of the day, but I do think that price action has stabilized in the post market, and it's good time to plan for tomorrow and what my take is from here on based off of the price action. And if something would shift by the end of the post market today, later in the evening for the members, I'll talk about with the other stocks that I do for the members only coverage. Anyways, so as you know, I would like to focus on the technicals, but just to show you high level, and I'm on the 4 hours interval so that I can show you the post market price action. But just to show you real quick, they missed on both fronts, the earnings and the revenue. And however, look, as I say, it doesn't matter, right? Earnings can be bad, everything could be blunder, but things may still go up, and that's what we are getting. But we do have a challenging situation because it didn't do a proper gap up, neither a proper gap down. But we'll talk about that in just a second. I just want to go wrap up the the little bit part of the earnings, and then we'll jump into the price action. So as numbers I showed you, that's all. And well, you can go through, well, sorry, this is not the one that I want to go over. There's a one really good summary over here. Yeah, this is the one. So the only thing that is of any substance right now, at least, is the one that for 2025, Tesla said it expects its vehicle business to return to growth and its energy storage deployments to rise at 50%. And energy was one of the part that also led to the revenue climb. Whatever the revenues are, revenue climbs on energy generation and storage gains. So that's what we have. And then they also, the plan to have new vehicles, including more affordable models, remain on track for start of production in the first half of 2025. These are the two substances out of the forward-looking guidance, and all in all, there's just take a look through the articles later as well. There is not much that I want to talk about here. It doesn't matter to me that much. It's all about the price action. As I said, earnings would be bad. There might not be any substance for the guidance as well, but price action may still look just fine. And at least on Tesla, that's what we have. For Microsoft and Meta, I'll talk about with the members later today. Now, so what do we do here? All right. Now, let's go to the daily interval. And since TradingView doesn't show the post-market price on the daily interval or pre-market price, I'm just going to put a marker here, and so that we can follow through. So post-market 405 and 32 cents, almost around here, right? Very close to our significant level. So now it didn't do a gap up above 428 area, which would have opened up the doors to 500. It didn't do a gap up below 373, which would have opened up the doors to 325. It's stuck in the middle. All right. So it's the very first time in almost like maybe years that Tesla didn't do much of a gap up or gap down. But that doesn't mean that we can't trade tomorrow. Definitely be a little bit cautious the next day as well, but we have enough price action to go for tomorrow. And my opinion and my take on the price action is that, as you saw on the thumbnail of this video, is it a buy? Well, it's definitely bullish and it's definitely in the buying category. But I want to provide you a price action properly to look for until where the price structure will remain bullish and where will the weakness be. So let me get rid of this red line again because it's just coming in our way and not very proper way of articulating, while because our significant level is closer there, so I don't want to confuse things up. Okay, this psychological blue box area $400 is very valid support for tomorrow. Tesla is bullish in the price action as long as we continue to hold above this zone of $400. Since we have broken out of it, it's a really good breakout. All right, well, no, it's not a really good breakout, but it's a breakout and it's bullish. As long as we stay above $400, it's a bullish play tomorrow. Things may, and I'm going to get to the point, what if it loses $400? Now, if it loses $400, well, sorry, I have to go to the 4 hours. If we lose $400 tomorrow, let's say, intraday weakness may come, but it's not going to be swing bearish still. All right. we still, as long as we are still above $373 area, if we lose $400, it may bring some intraday weakness that may again get bought back up through the rebounds. But because we have a strong demand zone still at that area of 373, and as you can see today also we got bought back there. So as long as we still continue to be above 373 but below 400, yes, Tesla is weaker on the intraday, not on the swing. All right, Tesla can still eventually in coming days turn around, right? Unfortunately, we don't have a proper gap through in either direction through the earnings. Tomorrow morning, we'll see if we get. But above $400, look for the bullishness. And properly though, this bullishness, at least in the near term, has opened up the doors to 428 as long as we stay above $400, and definitely extra strength is above 406 and 50 cents, and it opens up the doors until Friday to 427 dollars area. It can continue higher as well, but at least that's the first level. So to put it simply, this is the bullish zone, at least for coming days. Be cautious tomorrow. I would just say that this is the bullish zone. I'm just going to mark it green. And this is your, there's a zone here. Wait, yeah, that when price action went in the, this zone over here is your light weakness zone. So let me do it light red. And then below 373 is your turbulent. That's a proper bearish zone. Let's go darker. Well, the color flavor is really disturbing. All right, here we go. And yeah, so anyways, so there's definitely weakness below 400, but until 373, it's an intraday weakness. Above $400 area, it's a bullish play, and also 406 above is a good confirmation for an uptrend, which as Tesla hold above $400, that's what you should be looking. 420, it opens up the door there, and then a really good strength on like a strong green one, like a backup to almost that area, that will be at above this 428. So this, take these areas just a couple of days of plays, because these zones are still a zone of just mostly intraday trades, and definitely a really good confirmation of strengthful is either bullish, that is above 428, like a really strong bullish as in a swing continuation, and then a really brutal breakdown is below 373. And yeah, so but intraday above $400 and 406 combined is a bullish play on Tesla. I just wanted to draw these out to highlight the areas to watch. And my opinion is that Tesla, well, as I'm talking and in the post market, the price action is already reacting. I'm on the 5 minutes now. Yeah, you are watching this $400, guys. We stay above it, we are fine. We lose it, intraday weakness can still continue tomorrow then. And take it only intraday trade the way it has done it tomorrow. It hasn't done that strong gap up or gap down, unfortunately. And that's why no one knows what's going to happen through the earnings. So it has gone sticky, all right? And so we'll have to trade it only intraday until we again get a clear direction for, well, we have a clear direction above $400, we are bullish and we are above that, but we have to stay above that. But below that, intraday weakness, all right? But you are better off trading it only intraday right now, nothing more than that. We don't have like that strengthful swing play on either direction, unfortunately, the way it has reacted to the earnings. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. It's just a very simple overview and the areas to watch for tomorrow and the levels to watch for tomorrow for the type of trades, and overall picture as well as what I want to provide, how this earning is reacting to the price action, or price action is reacting to the earnings, and how should we trade it, right? All right, that's all guys, and I'll see you in my next videos. All right, take care, bye.